Hello guys, welcome once again, and this is Chile right here. So let's quickly dive into the chart, and as you know, we are going to be reviewing our forecast for last week and then knowing what to expect in the coming weeks. So I hope you had a great trading week last week. Okay, so really quickly on my screen right now is GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and last week we had that the market closed around this level right here, so we just had the first reaction from that supply zone. Okay, so um we were expecting price to either reject from this supply directly, or we see a rejection from the supply above it. Okay, so I said overall I was expecting more of bearish intent than bullish. Okay guys, so let's see what we, and I told you that that supply is actually this supply here, and I say that this is the extreme of the zone that caused the move, so you could expect a move also from the upside. Yeah, and I said failure to break this level means you might see, failure to react on this level means you might see higher levels of the chart. Okay, so what do we have that occurred? So we see that price actually broke slightly above. Okay, so price broke slightly above, and then we can see that the price action right now is looking pretty bullish. Okay, so and I remember I already marked out this demand level below where I was expecting price to break as a sign of the bearish intent, but we didn't even come there. Okay, so what can we expect now moving forward, guys? What can we expect? So what to expect now, let's quickly look at the daily time frame. Okay, so on daily I have two major supplies that are responsible for our first daily change of character to the downside. Okay, so our first daily change of character to the downside, you can see the break of this area here, and also the break of this demand level down here. Okay, so we're going to be checking the area responsible for that. Okay, so if you agree, we have a very decent supply level around this point here, which I have already marked out. Yeah, and also the week above around this point. Okay, so that's our daily POIs that we'll be expecting further reactions moving forward. Okay, yeah, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame really quickly and see if there are valid 4-hour levels to expect a decent reaction from. Okay, so on the 4-hour, I feel those are still the areas of concern. Although on the 4-hour, I'm more interested in the extreme, okay, more than this, because I remember in the last video I said something like if price breaks the last supply level, which is around this area, and we might sweep the rest of these guys for liquidity, and then we get a reaction of this high. So I am currently more interested in the supply above for a reaction on GBP USD that might activate the bearish intent. Okay, but for now the whole price action looks very bullish, and we are going to see how it plays out. Okay, then lastly let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so on the 1-hour time frame, guys, for GBP USD, it's just a clear picture of what we have. So like I said, I'm expecting a sharper reaction from the higher supply above, but this is also a valid supply, and that's why I marked it out so everyone could check it out. So if we react firmly from any of these supplies, we can see a decent pullback to the downside. Okay, yeah, decent pullbacks to first this area on the chart. So that will be the first area you want to look at, this area on the chart, and then secondly lower areas on the chart. Okay, like the one I just marked right now. So that will be all for GBP USD right now. So guys, really quickly let's look at XAU USD. As you all know, I will be dropping further price updates in my community, so you could feel free to join my free Telegram community. Yeah, and there we drop signals periodically, we share forecasts, and we share trade ideas. So you can meet like-minded traders there. Yeah, so you could meet like-minded traders there, and then you could join my Discord community, which is my premium community, my private community. So over there I do webinars, I do trade recaps, I drop signals there, very often. So over there we are going to help you grow. Okay, So yeah, your growth there is our priority. Okay guys, so this is XAUSD on my screen right now, and what do we have for XAUSD? So we have that we have that price closed around this level here for XAUSD. Okay, so price closed around that level, and then we were expecting first off a decent reaction from this area, okay, in respect to this supply. Okay, so we expected the reaction from there to probably bring us down, and I said if this area doesn't hold, we could see reactions of this extreme POI here. If you watch the previous video, you know what I'm talking about, or of this trend line here. Okay, so price is currently around this area, and so we are not entirely out of order. So let's see what to expect. Okay, let's see what to expect moving forward from this point. Okay, so yeah, let's look at the daily time frame really quickly for gold. So for gold on the daily time frame, you can agree with me that we are actually currently reacting off this very strong support and resistance level I've always talked about, and I said from this level we could see decent pullback because we have always seen price reject after the first tap, reject after the second tap, reject after the third tap, this like the fourth tap of the area. Okay, but on the flip side, what can we expect? We could expect a sweep of this area. Okay, so we have had so many tops around here, which is liquidity, smart money traders can relate. So could expect a sweep of this and a reversal. Okay, so let's look at the 4-hour time frame. But gold is looking pretty bullish from where it is right now, and yeah, so I think this is gonna be the last time frame we'll talk about for gold, because if gold breaks this supply now it's reacting on, then it has its all-time high. Okay, so there are no previous price data above this level for us to analyze from. So this is what I would say for everyone moving forward. If we see a break above this area, okay, a decent break above, probably a week above, okay, I wouldn't see a week above as a break on structure. It would be like a liquidity grab, and then we begin to see reversal. Then we can all enter in for the shorts. But if we see gold continue printing new highs moving forward, then guys, we just ride the bullish intent. I hope that's clear enough. Okay, because above this point we don't have price data. These are the all-time high for gold, and this is a very strong point. So we could see a sweep like I said and the reversal. Okay, the size of the sweep is that on the air time frames to be probably more like a week and not a candle close, and then we could see a break of the next demand below, which is this level. So if that happens, so price just breaks below, then we could enter in for the shorts. Okay, but if it doesn't happen that way, then we ride the long as it can take us. Okay, so guys, that will be basically all for gold. So members of the community had a great time trading last week. Yeah, we had a great time trading, and you can always join us and have awesome experiences. We have proven records, of guys who passed their challenge, who are funded, who are withdrawing and stuff like that. So there is no reason to panic. If you're out there and you're a struggling trader, we are here to help. Okay, we are strictly here to help. This is like a give back. So you could just join the community. Any of them you can afford, you get value. Okay, get value. And I have some books I've written out there that would help you. So you could just check the link below and check out the videos or the link to my courses or the books. They will all be of help to you. That'll be all for now, guys. Do well to follow me on all social media platforms. Link are below, and see you guys next week.